Good afternoon, children. It is a third day for me. I am sure all of you have your textbook and notebook with you all, including pen, pencil, scale, everything. Yes or no? Yes. Good. Previous class, we learned some points. What are the points? Vertically opposite angles we will learn, then complementary angle we will learn, then supplementary angle also we will learn. After that we went to the topics exercise 6.1. There we learned about question number 1, then question number 2 I gave homework, then 3 I finished and I gave question number 4 also homework. I hope all of you have done your homework. Yes or no? Okay. Now let us go to question number 5. Question number 5 tells in figure POQ, in figure POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Line PQ. O is another OS is another ray lying in between rays OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS is equal to 1/2 angle QOS minus angle POS. These are questions. Figure. Okay. Angle ROS equal to 1/2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Look at about all of you. Question is given, POQ is a line. Ray OR is a ray perpendicular to PQ. Perpendicular, yesterday we learned, perpendicular means how many degree? 90 degree. OR perpendicular, meaning of this symbol is perpendicular. Perpendicular to PQ. That means angle ROQ equal to how many degree? 90 degree. Why angle ROQ is 90 degree? Reason? Because OR perpendicular to PQ. So it is, that's why it is 90 degree. Then if it is 90 degree, what about this side? One side is 90 degree. What about this side? This angle. Angle ROQ plus angle ROP. These two angles. Together it's become angle, what angle? POQ. Angle POQ. Angle POQ is a what angle? Straight angle, right? Straight angle. Angle ROQ 90 degree. Then angle ROP, we do not know. Straight angle how many degree? Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. So 180, this 90 you take other side, it will become minus 90 degree. How many degree? 90 degree. So this angle also 90 degree. Okay. Now, angle ROP. Angle ROP has two angles. Have you seen? Angle ROP. This angle has two angles. One is this angle, another one is this angle. There are two angles in it, right? That is angle POS. POS plus angle ROS. Equal to how many degree? Which one? Angle ROP. That is angle POS plus angle ROS. So how many degree? 90 degree. In rhythmic, you can say post plus rows equal to 90 degree. Post plus rows equal to 90 degree. First you write this one because space is not enough. First you write this one. We will go to the next. Quick, quick, quick. Again, angle QOS consists of two angles. What are the two angles? Or what are the two angles? Angle ROS plus angle QROQ. Is that no? Now, QOS, from the QOS, angle QOS, from the QOS we are going to minus which one? ROS. Angle QOS, this full angle, from the full angle if we are going to minus this portion. So what you will get? Angle which one? Which one? Angle ROQ. But ROQ already we learned how much, how many degree? We already got how many degree? Look at your notebook. ROQ how many degree? 90 degree. ROQ how many degree? 90 degree. Equation 1. Sorry, equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. We have two equations. Both the equations are equal to how many degree? 90 degrees. That means equation 1 equal to equation 2. What is equation 1 tells? 1 is here. What is 1 tells? Angle pose plus angle rose equal to, what is equation 2 tells? Angle cos minus angle rose. Now I am clean this one, okay. Now let us put all the rows together. There is one rows, there is one more rows. You bring this side, this is minus. When it comes this side, it will become plus. Cos plus pose. When it go other side, it will become minus. There are two rows. One rows plus one rows. All number have one denominator, you know it, right? All number have one denominator. So you take other side. It will be inverse, right? That is 1 by 2. Angle cos minus angle pose. So rho equal to 1 by 2 cos minus pose. Rho equal to 1 by 2. So you have done the answers. Okay? Copy down all of you. Okay, children. Before going to the exercise 6.1, I have explained so many points, so many angles. You might have surprised why sir is teaching all those points. But when you come to know solving the problem of exercise 6.1, all the points before that, whatever I explained, everything involved, right? It came. We are using that. Same way, now exercise 6.1 is over. Going to be exercise 6.2. Again, before going to 6.2, we have to learn the foundation, the basic for the 6.2. For that, now we are going to learn some more angles. There are so many angles we are going to learn. Now, parallel lines and a transversals. Parallel lines. Have you heard this word parallel? Is it new to you? Okay. I will explain to you. Two lines are called parallel lines if the distance between the two lines are everywhere equal. Line L and line N. These two lines can be called parallel if, condition is if the distance between them, suppose L to N 5 centimeter, it should be everywhere 5 centimeter. Everywhere 5 centimeter. Then it is called parallel, otherwise not. Clear? Okay. Have you seen the parallel lines in your life, or in your life? Have you seen? Yes or no? Okay. I will give an example. You will come to know. You look at the board. This is a plane figure. This plane figure, it goes and comes and ends here. The ending point called edge, right? So the edge is what? Looks like a line, and again it goes up and ends here. This also called edge. So edge also looks like which one? Line. So these two lines, are they looks parallel? The distance everywhere equal or not? Yes or no? Yes. What about here another? Straight line, right? Here also another straight line. Are they equal? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now you are at home. In your house, you look around in your room. Is there any parallel line figures in your house? Look at your house nicely. Got it? Yes. One you got by looking at the door. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes. There is a parallel. Then I am sure your house has windows. Look at the windows. Is there a parallel line there? Yes? Yes. I am sure all of you have scale with you, right? Look at the scale. There. Look at the scale, the end part. Is it looks like a parallel? Again, look at your geometry box. The plane figure. One end and another end. Is it looks like a parallel? Yes. So you can count numerous of parallel lines in our day-to-day life. Interestingly, still now we did not notice that it is parallel. Still yesterday we went to the school, we saw the blackboard, that's all. But we didn't see there is a parallel lines here on the blackboard. We have seen the scale every day, so many times we are taking the scale and using, but we didn't notice that two edges are looks like a parallel. Whenever you open the doors, we didn't notice that it looks like a parallel. Whenever you open the window so many times, you did not notice. But now, today onwards, you are going to experience, you are going to see it. Oh, this is parallel. Am I right? Yes or no? So, two lines are, okay, another example, have you seen the railway track? Some of you, whoever gone to at least up to Dimapur, they might have seen. Others might have not seen. If you see the railway track, that also which one? Parallel. What about the ladder? I am sure all of you have ladder at home, right? Is it looks like a parallel? The end? Yes? Yes. There are so many examples we can give. Many more examples. Okay. Now, this is, so now you come to know what is parallel. Parallel lines. Two lines are called parallel. The distance between the two line is always, everywhere always equal. Then they are called parallel lines. So in we need not write every time P-A-R-A-L-L, E-L-L, no need of writing parallel. In shortly we can write L. You put the 11 little longer. Meaning of this symbol is called parallel. L parallel to N. How to read? L parallel to N. Clear? Okay. Now, parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Transversal. The person want to cross these lines. L and N are parallel. T is a transversal. Means crossing the two lines. When T crosses the first line L, it makes how many angles? Yesterday we learned, right? Vertically opposite angles. We learned when two lines are crossed each other, how many angles makes? 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. But T is not stopped there. Still, T started for traveling some more distance. When it travels some more distance, it's found another line called N. And again it crossed. Again it made another 4 angles. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now, this it looks like a two families. Family number 1 and family number 2. Family number 1 has 4 children, family number 2 has also 4 children. Now, these two families, among the children, there is a relations. What is the relations we are going to learn? Suppose there is a dispute in between the two families. there is a fight in between the two families. Family number 1, the first boy, the eldest one. Who is the eldest one? Angle 1. The eldest one will come forward to challenge. When the eldest one is coming forward to challenge, then the second family also will come who? Eldest one or youngest one? Eldest one, right? Who will come? 5. That means among these two, 1 and 5 has some relations. That's what we are going to find out. What is the relations? He is the eldest one of first family, he is the eldest one of second family. Angle 1 is the eldest one, first family, angle 5 is the eldest one of second family. They are called corresponding angles. What angles? Corresponding. What is corresponding angles? Corresponding angles. Two angles are called corresponding angles if they are in the same side of the transversal. What is a transversal? T is a transversal. When the T is coming, two sides, one is right side, another one is left side, right? Yes or no? Right side. Same, two angles are called corresponding angle. If the two angles are the same side, not only the same side means there are so many angles, 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are there. Not only then the same side, also the same position. Yes, position of this fellow, eldest fellow. Position of this fellow, eldest fellow, right? Is that no? Position is very important. Not only the same side. In your family, there are so many children. The second family also, there are so many children. What is your position? See, angle 1 is the same side of the 1 and 5 is the same side of the transverse, as well as angle 1 just above the parallel line. Am I right? Angle 5 also above just above the parallel. Am I right? So angle 1 and angle 5 are what angles? Corresponding angles. What about angle 2 and angle 6? Two also left side above the parallel line. Above the parallel. Am I right? The position is very important. So angle 2 and 6 also parallel lines. Now come here. What about angle 3 and 6? Both are in left side, below the parallel line, angle 6 and 3 and 7. 3 and 7, below the parallel line and below the parallel lines. Same position. What about angle 4 and 8? Right side, both are below the parallel line, below the parallel line. So 4 and 8 is also which one? All corresponding angles. Now, these corresponding angles are always equal. Always equal. Why? Eldest one, right? Eldest one of the one family and eldest one of another family must be equal. Then only they can fight each other. So, they are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal. Keep in your mind, corresponding angles are always angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7, angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 8. So, these are corresponding angles. Okay. All of you write first, then I will go to the another. Next is alternate interior angles. Day before yesterday we learned a point called teaching points called adjacent angles, right? Adjacent means one immediate another. Immediate next you. In between you and your friend nobody is here. That is adjacent, we learned already. Alternate. Alternate means one after the another. Alternate means what? One after the another. Interior, inside. Inside the parallel lines. What are the angles are inside the parallel lines? Angle 3 is inside, 4, 5, 6. These are inside. 1, 2, 7, 8 are outside, exterior of the parallel lines. So, angle 3, 4, 5, 6 are inside the parallel lines. Now, alternative means what? One after the another. One after the alternative angles means one after the another. Inside. Now, angle 5. Alternative angle of 5, can you see angle 6? I am telling you angle 5 and 6 are alternative interior angles. Is it correct? Think yourself. No, sir. Yes, I can hear. Sir, you taught us 5 and 6 are adjacent angles. Because in between them no angles is, right? Yes, you are right. 5 and 6 are what angles? Adjacent. It cannot be a which one? Alternative. Then can you say 5 and 4 is a alternative? Again no, right? Because in between 5 and 4 there is nobody. Then it is called adjacent angles. Yes or no? So 5 and 4 also not, because it is adjacent. 5 and 6 also not, it is because it is adjacent. Then who? Only one fellow left. Who is that fellow? Yes, 3. Angle 5 and angle 3 are alternative interior angles. Is it clear? Understood, right? Now, again, then angle 6. Angle 6 again cannot go 5. Angle 6 again cannot go 3. Then who is the fellow? Angle 4. Am I right? These are alternative interior angles. Clear? Now, it is not because not only simply they are alternative interior angles, again they have some relations among them. What is the relations? Everything we have to learn details. Angle 5 plus angle 3. Angle 5 plus angle 3. One minute, sorry. Alternative interior angles are always equals. Alternative interior angles are always equal. So 5 and 3 is equal, and 6 and 4 also equals. Okay. Next come, then it will go automatically to alternative exterior angles. Now it is very easy, because interior angles you will learn, exterior angles it will be easy. What is the exterior angle? 1. Angle 1. Exterior angle, what is another exterior angles? 2 is here, 7 is here, 8 is here. But angle 1 and angle 2 cannot be alternative because they are adjacent. Am I right? Yes or no? 1 and 8 also cannot, because don't look at, when you look at the alternative exterior angles, don't look at the angle which is inside. You look only outside, angle 1 and angle 8, immediate next. So what is that? Angle 7. Then what about angle 2 and angle 8? They also got alternative exterior angles, and they are equals. Angle 1 and 7 Angle 1 and 7 are alternative angles. Angle 2 and angle 8 are alternative angles, but they are all equals. Okay. Next, one more points we can learn quickly. Co-interior angles. Okay, I am going to clean quickly. Co-interior angles. Co means what? Co means together. Meaning of co is what? The education what you are having in your school, except one or two schools. In Nagaland, except one or two schools, all the schools are having co-education, where both boys gender and male gender and female gender, boys and girls comes together and learn. That is called co-educations. One or two schools are there where only the girls goes or where only the boys goes. Otherwise, all the schools are together, boys and girls comes. So, co-interior, co means together, together inside. Together inside, together who are those inside? 4 and 5 are together, the same side. So, angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angles. Likewise, angle 3 and angle 6 are co-interior angles. Again, the co-interior angles has among them some relations. Angle 4 and 5, angle 4 plus angle 5 should be equal to 180 degree. Should be. Because 4 and 3 are linear pairs, 180 degree. 3 is equal to 5 alternative angles, right? So, 4 and 5 will be which one? 180 degree. That means angle 3 plus angle 6 also how many degree? 180 degree, because they are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are always 180 degree. Okay, children. Today we have learned 6.1 question number 5 we have learned. Then after that we come to the new teaching points called parallel lines and transversal. In that we have learned what is about parallel lines, what is transversal, definition of parallel lines we learned, and also we learned what is about corresponding angles, how many corresponding angles are there and what is the relation between them, and alternative angles we have learned. Also we learned which one? Co-interior angles and the relations between them we all learned. So today class is going to be over. Tomorrow when tomorrow class we will meet. Before that, before I come to tomorrow's class, better you go through whatever we learned, because immediately whenever you class is over, when you open the textbook and practice, then the mind is very fresh, you can learn a lot. You close the books and go on round and play like anything, whatever you learn, everything you forgot. Then when you come and open, it's like something very difficult for you. Okay, children? See you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.